the OnePay Cash Rewards World Mastercard issued by Synchrony Bank is really a card with one clear purpose: rewarding people who spend a lot of money at Walmart. If you already consider Walmart your primary shopping destination, this card offers what is arguably the most lucrative cashback rate available for that retailer, but it comes with a condition. A person needs to be an active Walmart Plus member to unlock the card's headline benefit, which is an unlimited 5% cashback on all Walmart purchases, whether in store or online. For those who are not Walmart Plus members, the card still offers a competitive 3% back at the store, which is certainly a strong rate for a retailer-specific card. Beyond Walmart, the card functions as a World Mastercard with a solid flat rate earning structure, giving you 1.5% cash back on absolutely all other purchases. The card is appealing because it is inexpensive to hold, featuring a $0 annual fee and no foreign transaction fees, making it a good, no-cost travel companion as well. The welcome bonus is a modest $35 cashback after spending $75 or more within the first 30 days of opening the account, which is unfortunately small compared to what many other general rewards cards offer. The pros of this card are significant for the right shopper. That 5% cashback for Walmart Plus members is exceptional, and the 1.5% flat rate outside of the store means you do not have to keep track of rotating categories, making it a simple, reliable option for everyday non-Walmart spending. Redemption is straightforward. OnePay points, where 1 point equals 1 cent, can be applied as a statement credit or deposited directly into a OnePay cash account. Another major plus is the pre-qualification check. A person can see if they pre-qualify with no impact to their credit score before deciding to submit a full application, which only then results in a hard inquiry. Furthermore, as a World Mastercard, it includes a suite of standard perks that add a bit of extra value. However, a person needs to be very aware of the cons before jumping in. The highest 5% cash back rate is essentially paywalled, meaning you must factor in the cost of the Walmart Plus membership to realize that maximum benefit. The purchase APRs are also a serious concern. They are variable and range from 20.49% for account type 1 up to a staggering 30.99% for account type 2, based on the applicant's credit worthiness. This is not a card for anyone who plans to carry a balance, as the interest charges could quickly and dramatically negate any cashback rewards earned. The welcome bonus is also tiny at $35, which just feels underwhelming. There is also a tiered approval risk. If you do not qualify for the desirable cash rewards card, you are automatically considered for the less rewarding store-only OnePay Walmart Spend card, which has no standard cashback program. Finally, be mindful of the cash advance fee, which is expensive at the greater of $10 or 5% of the amount. To sum things up, the OnePay Cash Rewards World Mastercard is a powerhouse for the dedicated Walmart customer, especially if they are a Walmart Plus member, due to the industry-leading 5% cash back. The $0 annual fee and 1.5% back everywhere else make it a practical second card for simple spending. The major risk, and one you absolutely must heed, involves the high variable APRs that can climb to 30.99%. If you are not committed to paying your full balance every single month, the card's rewards will be completely wiped out by interest and fees, turning a lucrative card into a financial liability.